Good afternoon, friends. I preferred the pre-recorded session to ensure that in the first lecture itself we do not get some issues which are otherwise prevalent with online sessions. The introduction which was made about the speaker, I think, is normally exaggerated, and therefore I would, with due regards to the introducer, I would like to state that students should not take it on its face value. Now if we go through the long title, Journey to be an Engineering Graduate, a Well-Planned Trajectory for Success. It's a very long title, and I thought that this should be a session in the induction program in the very beginning part of it. Before going into the details of the title first and then its contents, even though the formality of welcoming has already taken place yesterday, on my behalf as a faculty member of this college, I take this opportunity to congratulate you first while welcoming you into the auspicious great campus of Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. And I am sure that after 4 years, when you will be graduating from this campus, the purpose for which you have been here, I will not say the sole purpose, but the major purpose, that you want a good kind of placement at the end of 4 years. I hope that professional education, especially engineering education, the prime focus is to get placed. Then in a scientific sense, at a philosophical level, this may not look to be a good objective to be placed. One must learn to discover himself or herself. But all that, what we can say, theoretical sentences do not matter much in today's materialistic practical world, and therefore job oriented education is meaningless without a job. But you have been fortunate enough to be in such a college where you have to determine yourself not to get placed. सुदैवानं तुम्ही अशा एका अत्यंत चांगल्या कॉलेजला आलेला आहात की जिथं तुम्हाला जॉब न लागावा ह्यासाठी काहीतरी ठरवावं लागेल. म्हणजे मी प्लेस होणारच नाही अशीच तुम्ही मनाशी खोडगाठ बांधली तरच तुम्ही नोकरीवर राहाल, अन्यथा इथं अशी परिस्थिती आहे की तुमच्या इच्छेविरुद्ध तुमचं प्लेसमेंट केलं जाईल. सो आय थिंक इट इज अ वेलकम सिच्युएशन. नाउ लेट अस बिगिन विथ the vision of our institution. Vision of our institution, that is Walchand College, is to produce capable graduate engineers with an aptitude towards research and leadership. Again, it's a very long sentence. In today's fast, what we can say, Google world, students are losing patience to listen such proverbs, long sentences. Now the length of the lecture sessions is also, it is said scientifically that beyond 25-30 minutes students do not have patience. Like that, they don't like long jargons of sentences. A very crisp 3-4 words, and that too in short form, and for meaning they depend on Google. Anyway, you might be also experiencing the same response, opinions from your parents. No, the world is now changing and we don't know where it is going to end. It is a universal phenomenon which exists across time and space domain. Every generation, everywhere in the world is saying that no doubt that the world is progressing, but this progress is not essentially beneficial, or it may harm the mankind. And the mankind has survived globally for centuries long. So I think it is something which is being discussed for the sake of discussion. So let us be practical. We have to live in this practical world, and when we will live in this practical world, a term comes for defining what is success. Then earlier, few decades back, to know what various great people have said about few terms, few phenomenons, you have to go for exhaustive literature search, being in the libraries and searching the contents. It was very difficult to know where we can get it. But what Google has done, what is the biggest advantage of Google? It is content based search. Then it is said that everything which is on Google is true or not otherwise, or true or otherwise. But I think for our application, there is no point in means everything which majority says may not be true sometimes. So Google enriches its, what we can say, dictionary or database, we can say, based on the opinions of majority. But I think that much microscopic analysis of Google is right now our cup of tea. But it doesn't mean that you should completely leave away. Google is search engine. So what is search engine? Again, if we now go for what we can say, elaborating various terms, if we deliberate, since it's a, what we can say, not face-to-face session, and interaction is not so convenient at the beginning, I have decided to go for a pre-recorded session, and at the end of this session, when once its playing is over, we can take up few questions and I would like to address them. Anyway, 4 years are available with us, and I am sure that within few months this face-to-face interaction will start. But we evolve while elaborating something, while explaining something. Here we were talking about the term engineering, and in engineering, remember now, how this word engineering evolved. It essentially talks of engine, and that time is steam engine, but few centuries back the word engineer was not used for mechanical engineers, it was primarily used for civil engineers. So civil engineering was considered to be engineering. Whereas now, just when I concluded, I said that Google search engine. So what is meaning of engineering? Now, if a question is asked, have you have taken admission to an engineering college? Have you ever tried to know what is meaning of engineering, and have you thoroughly understood the meaning of engineering, the 4-year course which you are aspiring for? Then I am sure that the answer in majority cases, or except some microscopic minority, the answer is no. We are not aware. We have not done any kind of rigorous search on what is meaning of engineering. So meaning is something different and perception is something different. So, and world goes by perception. If you decide to have meaning of everything which you come across, and then only you try to move ahead, then in that case it is very much likely that you may not be able to even take a single step further, because getting meaning of everything to our satisfaction before we begin something is impossible. Therefore, we go by perception. Since it was perception of you, your parents, your friends, that engineering is a good career and Walchand College of Engineering is a good college, you went there by perception. You did not have any kind of rigorous testing before you decided to join the course. So in that aspect, search engine. So this is something which you should be aware of. Now, say 5-6 decades back, when when engineering colleges were very less in number, admission to an engineering college was directly entry, beginning of a career. The only challenge was to pass in the examinations, and that was also somewhat difficult those days because of some kind of theories which are there for evaluation purpose. Tough examination was something considered as a good way to educate students, but the generational change has been there across the world. There has been a paradigm shift and approach is changed. साधारणतः 50-60 वर्षापूर्वी इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजला प्रवेश मिळाला की त्याचं करिअर सुरू झालं, कारण जॉब हा तर असायचा, म्हणजे इंटरव्ह्यू न घेता जॉब असायच्या. आज देखील आपल्या वाचनवादी परिस्थिती उत्तम आहेच, पण खूप पूर्वी ती खूपच सोपी होती, कारण त्यावेळी कॉम्पिटिशन फार नव्हती आणि त्यावेळी फक्त इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेज ॲडमिशन मिळाली की 4 वर्ष एकही बॅकलॉग न घेता पास व्हायचं. आणि ते तितकंच सोपं नसायचं, कारण का तर त्यावेळीची परीक्षा पद्धती थोडी अवघड होती. आणि ती का होती, त्यावेळीची परीक्षा दुष्ट होते का, तसं नाही, तर त्यावेळी अवघड परीक्षा पद्धती असेल त्यामुळे मुलांचा अभ्यास चांगला होईल अशी धारणा होती, जगभरात होती, आपल्या इथेही होती. आज जगभरातली धारणा बदललेली आहे, आपल्या इथली बदललेली आहे, सर्वत्र बदललेली आहे. परीक्षा म्हणजे अवघड असं नको, तर परीक्षा ही नसलीच पाहिजे, किंवा परीक्षा नाही, examination should not be separately required. It is expected that while you are undergoing teaching learning process, the students should be tested without the knowledge that they are being tested. This is called as continuous evaluation, about which you will come to know in sessions to come, which are of academic and evaluation systems, which will be explained by corresponding functionaries of Walchand College in coming week, or tomorrow, or today, or in next week. So that was the scenario that time. But today and that time, the branches were also limited. Civil, mechanical, electrical. That time many were doing double graduation, means after doing one more year one could get degree in electrical and mechanical, like that. So that time the challenges were less, the proliferation of information was less, and it was that way a happy-go-lucky type life. Only thing is, whatever is being taught that you must master, need not necessarily understand, but must be able to reproduce it appropriately in the examination. So passing of examination of engineering was the only challenge, and what means there were only 2 challenges. First, admission to an engineering college, and then passing out. Then everything was quite smooth. But today there is tough competition. Also those days the rate of technical advancements was not so rapid, which is there today. So those days one has to learn to progress. But now today's world, situation today is such that you are on a conveyor belt which is moving backward. Means you might be knowing automatic walkers. So if you don't walk, you are thrown back. So on a reverse moving conveyor belt, you have to run to maintain yourself, and you have to run fast to progress. This is required. There is no option for us. And what I think, then you will say it is rat race where we are going to aim. So I'm not a of the opinion that you should give scope to such lazy thinking, such kind of negativity that no, this competition is not so good, that there is stress, then it is having an adverse impact on our health and all these things. Today's time for you, the age profile in which you are living today is not what we can say appropriate to give such excuses to remain lazy. So what is important is that a well-planned trajectory for success. So after getting admission to this college, you have crossed one milestone, but no doubt that the system here will make you work in an atomized manner, so that there is not much worry for you, but that will make you very bare minimum. You will be placed, no doubt. You will be placed, but if you want a quality placement and if you want a, what we can say, very bright career ahead, these are the 4 years where you get that way ample time, where there is no responsibility other than learning on you. And these are the formative years. So whatever the conceptualized things which get consolidated, crystallized at your intellectual plane are lifelong for you. So you must plan right from the end of this session to say July, August 2024, by which you will be graduating, what you would like to be, and if you don't plan, then it will be daydreaming, that we don't want. So you need to have a very perfect planning. For that you must have a planner. Now you can have actual diary to be a planner, or you have advanced gadgets in your mobile, you can store everything. But remember one thing which is very important: when you are storing everything on your mobile, you should ensure that it is appropriately packed up somewhere in an effective manner. Otherwise, for some reason, like, means it is something which also we should account for in our trajectory. We should not say that I am talking negative. Suppose if for some reason your mobile is lost, somehow it gets damaged, it gets working but everything can't be recovered, then you will find to be very much handicapped and you will become restless, because you are so used to it that you will find that it is just like that syndrome, the identity syndrome. Suppose if somebody falls ill and the illness is so, what we can say, drastic, that he gets recovered after illness but unable to discover who is he. Like that, you are so much addict that if you lose a mobile, you will find that your identity is shaken. So what I say is, everything whatever you store it in a systematic manner. In fact, in this our trajectory, use of such advanced tools in an effective manner is also one of important features. Means how to, now it's online education, you are required to watch the mobile for hours together. That will have its own effects. So everything you have to optimize. Now nobody will advocate that you should, whether mobile, the question whether mobile is essential in life or not. You are getting admitted to this college in such an age where this question is not remaining, this question is already answered, and everybody will have a smartphone, not only mobile. So you using utilities in the smartphone effectively is also something needs to be learned. So that is one of the, what we can say, part of the trajectory towards success. Then when you are now admitted to this college, we have to define the trajectory for the success. So what is success that we started in the beginning? So you have not taken admission to any college for Master of Arts in Philosophy, where you will spend hours together to deliberate what is success. So that is something which we are not going to do. So right now, let us have a limited, well-focused definition of success, which may or may not be ideal, which may or may not be right. If it is something which is wrong, then you can rework on it later on. But right now, a crude definition of success is you should have preferably both or at least one in your hand in August 2024. And the two things are admission with scholarship to a prestigious university abroad, preferably US. Now with what we can say, a moderate President Joe Biden taking over, you must have taken a sigh of relief that things would be normal. US, then maybe Germany, or in IITs or IISc in our country. Now again, when I advocate that you should have an offer of admission to a prestigious university abroad with scholarship, let us not right now spend our time in brain drain and all such discussions. Let us, as I have already stated, that the definition of success is you should have preferably both. First, what I said, and second is at least I am saying a job offer when I am talking 2024. I am talking 2024. So at least a millionary job having, that means a package which offers you 10 lakh plus rupees annual salary. This is bare minimum I am saying. So what I say, we have now, in an induction program and being in the first week, I am keeping my things simple. So unless we keep it simple, it would be confusing for you to follow it. At a later stage, we may go in very detailed and very complex level of discussion. We have ample time. But right now, we have defined, very clearly defined. What we have clearly defined? Number one, post-graduation offer in a university abroad with scholarship or in India in IITs and ISCs. Number one. And number two, 10 lakh plus rupees per annum package job. So ideally, it is expected that all of you should have both, or if not both, at least one. I think this is something which is fairly appropriate definition of success at this point of time. Later on, we may modify it depending upon our progress. So, to have that, so now we can use the board to explain something, because that is important. So, what we do to have that success, we have now defined the goal state. What is the goal state? And right now, in that again, even though it is common, one may say Purdue, one may say Texas or IITIS. Then one may aspire for not, one may say that I am not contained with 10 lakh plus job. I want a multinational job, and now by that time, I am sure that right now we are having 40 lakh plus package offered to students in our college. So I am sure that, and I think that you should keep a target that few of you by 2024, considering inflationary and other developments in market, that 2024 batch must have 1 crore plus rupees per year annual package. So few must aspire for annual package of rupees 1 crore. Then you say, oh, what you are talking about money and money? See, what is definition of money? Then you may go for some definitions elsewhere, but there is very fantastic definition of money, is that money is what money does. The definition of money is what money does. Why so? It is like electrical power. You may say that, or electrical energy. Electrical energy means why now you might be aware that one of the index of computing progress or development index of a nation is per capita consumption of electrical energy. Why so? Because electrical energy is the most convenient form to be converted into any kind of energy. Like that is said that money is something which you can convert into any other requirement. It is in general, just now the numbers of crores and all that have come, therefore I said that right now we are not studying economics as well. So that goal is fixed. So when that goal is fixed, how to define trajectory? So for that purpose, to reach here, you need to draw a trajectory, but for that you must know where you are. You must know where you are, and everybody is not on the same footing. Everybody is not on the same footing. Diversity is an inevitable feature of mankind. Even though it is said that it needs to be eradicated, it is there. तुम्हाला कदाचित माहीत असेल का नाही माहीत नाही, तर समजा कुठल्या तरी शासन व्यवस्थेमध्ये साम्यवादी शासन व्यवस्था एक अस्तित्वात आहे की ज्यामध्ये सर्व समान केलं, सर्व संपत्तीचं समानता केली, तरी देखील गांधीजींनी असं म्हणलेलं होतं की मनुष्याची अंगभूत क्षमता या समान नाही, त्यामुळे समान परिस्थिती असली तरी देखील अंगभूत क्षमतांमधल्या वैविध्यामुळे, विषमतेमुळे पुन्हा विषमता येईल, आणि त्यामुळे ही समानता एकदा आणून चालणार नाही, तर ती वारंवार ते प्रयोग करावे लागतील. हे खूप तात्विक चर्चा झाली, त्यामध्ये आज तुम्हाला कदाचित रस नसेल, पण सांगायचा मुद्दा यातला थीम येत असा आहे की दॅट टू अचीव दिस गोल, trajectory of everybody cannot be same. Now there are, today number may be less, in the second round there will be more students coming to college, so we have 450 plus students, and in the second year a few will join. So we say that a batch of 500 students for 2024, a 2024 batch of 500 students of Walchand College, when we define a common goal, there will be 500 different trajectories, because even though goal is common, even though the end state destination is common, the starting position is not same. It is different for everybody depending upon the background, all kinds of background and inherent abilities. So that question is, how to know it? It is not so easy. It is very easy for us to evaluate somebody else and comment that he is hopeless. But to evaluate ourselves is not so easy. So that requires SWOT analysis. Evaluation is not easy in the sense that either you may overestimate yourself, which is very much likely, and exceptionally it is also possible that you may underestimate yourselves. You might be knowing a very famous Marathi poem, तो राजहंस एक, पाण्यात पाहताना चोरून या क्षणिक, त्याचेच त्या कळाले तो राजहंस एक. म्हणजे बदकांच्या कल्पात राजहंसाला आपण काहीतरी आपल्यात कमी आहे असं वाटायचं, कारण बदकांची वैशिष्ट्ये आणि त्याची वैशिष्ट्ये वेगळी होती. आणि वेगळं म्हणजे कमी ही एक सामूहिक धारणा आपोआप तयार होते आणि त्यामधला कमीपणा वाटायचा. पण जेव्हा त्याला स्वतःचं प्रतिबिंब त्याला पाहता आलं, ते पाहण्याची संधीच नव्हती, त्यावेळी त्याला कळलं की मी वेगळा आहे पण कमी नाही, तर मी चांगला आहे. सो दॅट इज, त्याचेच त्या कळाले तो राजहंस एक, यामध्ये त्याला त्याच्या क्षमतांचं आकलन झालेलं आहे. तर त्या पद्धतीनं आपल्यातही बरेच राजहंस असतील. याचा अर्थ मी राजहंस आहे म्हणून सगळ्यांनी इथून हवेत उडायचा प्रयत्न करू नये. तर स्वतः आपण बदक आणि बदकांच्या कल्पातल्या राजहंसाला इन्फिनिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स तयार होतो. इन पूल ऑफ डॉंकीज हॉर्स इज प्रूव्ड डॉंकी अशी अवस्था होते. तर तो राजहंस एक ह्याच्यामध्ये त्याला त्या क्षमतांचा आकलन झालेला आहे. तर आपल्यातल्या क्षमतांचं आणि मर्यादांचं आकलन, समोर काय संधी आहेत आणि समोर काय आव्हान आहे, याच्याकरता स्वॉट एनालिसिस हा एक प्रकार आहे. स्वॉट, स्ट्रेंथ्स, वीकनेसेस, अपॉर्च्युनिटीज अँड थ्रेट्स. स्ट्रेंथ्स, वीकनेसेस, अपॉर्च्युनिटीज अँड थ्रेट्स. तर जेव्हा आम्ही विद्यार्थी होतो, हे SWOT analysis is not a new concept. It is centuries back. During our studenthood असं काहीतरी असतं. आता तुमच्यापैकी काही जण कल चाचणी, ऍप्टिट्यूड टेस्ट करून आले असतील. पूर्वी असं काही नव्हतं. पूर्वी नव्हतं म्हणून काही अडलं नाही, किंवा आज आहे म्हणून काही फार भरपूर असंही कदाचित नसेल. पण आता मग आता एक, पूर्वी नव्हतं, मग पूर्वीचे लोक शिकलेच की मग आता आम्ही एवढा त्रास कशाला करून घेऊ, आपण जास्त विचार कशाला करायचा, नाहीतरी काय नशिबात आहे ते होणारच आहे. तर दॅट फिलिंग यू शुड नॉट हॅव. आपल्या गीतेमध्ये कर्मयोगाचं महत्व सांगितलेलं आहे. त्यामुळं मग आता एवढं करून मग असं होईल, मग ऐनवेळी मला हे झालं, तर नकारात्मकता आणू नका. सो यू ट्राय टू excel yourself by exploiting all the possible avenues which you have at your disposal today. So in a sense, being in an advanced age has also resulted in a stiff competition. At the same time, you are also having good tools. पूर्वी देखील पळण्याच्या शर्यती व्हायच्या, आज देखील होता. पूर्वी काही एवढी टेक्निक्स नव्हती, आता टेक्निक्स आहेत, ते सगळ्यांच्याकडेच आहेत. त्यामुळे तसं पूर्वी सोपं आणि आज अवघड असंही काही नाही. पूर्वी सगळ्यांना सोपं म्हणजे एक सोपा पेपर आहे, त्यात टॉपर आहे. सोप्या पेपरमध्ये किंवा अवघड पेपरमध्ये नॉर्मली टॉपर तोच येतो, कारण सोप्या पेपरमध्ये सगळ्यात जास्त मार्क पडतात, अवघड पेपरमध्ये सगळ्यांना कमी मार्क पडतात, जास्त कमी मार्क पडतात. सो व्हॉट आय से इज, this tool is available. You can immediately give Google search SWOT analysis, and there are techniques now. Now in Mahabharata you might have learned a story of Dronacharya and Eklavya, and Eklavya was refused by Dronacharya for further learning. And in those days, even few centuries back, शिकवलं नाही तर शिकता यायचं नाही असं व्हायचं. बट टुडे, आज तुम्हाला कुणालाही मला द्रोणाचार्यांनी वर्गाबाहेर काढलं, मला शिकवलं नाही अशी तक्रार करायची संधी नाही. Nobody from your generation now can get an excuse of एकलव्य. एकलव्य स्वतः त्या एकलव्याचं कौतुक काय आहे तर तो त्या काळात स्वतः शिकला. एकलव्य त्या काळात स्वतः शिकला. स्वतः शिकणं इतकं सोपं नसून देखील एकलव्याला जर ते जमलं असेल तर आपल्याला आजच्या काळात इतक्या संधी उपलब्ध असताना, इतकी साधनं उपलब्ध असताना ते जमायलाच पाहिजे. आणि आपल्याला ते जमणार नसेल तर आपण कुणालाही इतरांना जबाबदार धरू शकणार नाही. तर आपण त्याला आपल्या त्या दुर्दैवी भविष्याला स्वतः जबाबदार असू. कारण आता तुम्हाला सगळं उपलब्ध आहे. एव्हरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल विथ यू ॲट टिप ऑफ युअर फिंगर. नंबर 2, इफ फॉर सम काइंड ऑफ financial difficulties are coming in way of equipping yourselves with advanced tool, a laptop is must for an engineering student now. It is not now branch specific की कम्प्युटर ऐकलाच लागतो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सला कदाचित लागेल, मी मेकॅनिकल सिव्हिल काही असं नाही. लॅपटॉप हा आपला पाहिजे, फार मागायला गरज नाही. साधारणतः 30,000चा लॅपटॉप सगळ्यांना पुरतो. If there are some financial difficulties, then there is a scheme available to everybody of this college to avail interest-free education loan from any nationalized bank. सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटची 2009ची स्कीम आहे, ज्याप्रमाणे इथल्या प्रत्येकाला त्याच्या एकूण 4 वर्षासाठी 4 लाख रुपये हे बिनव्याजी कर्ज मिळू शकतं. त्याचे डिटेल्स मी आपल्या नंतर शेअर करेन. आत्ता त्याला वेळ घालवायला नको. जेणेकरून थिंग इज की कुठल्याही कारण तुम्ही हे द्यायचं नाही आहे. ॲडव्हान्स टेक्नॉलॉजी, एक लॅपटॉप 30,000चा पुरतो, एक मोबाईल 10,000चा पुरतो, ज्यामध्ये सर्व आपल्याला आवश्यक अशा टेक्नॉलॉजिकल गोष्टी आहेत which are quite sufficient for your 4-year travel. So now, SWOT analysis. So you must identify yourselves where you are, and the trajectory of everybody is different. It's not same. The goal is something which is in 3D space, and you are at different points away from that goal. It's not even 3D. And even if you are on same point, the trajectories may be different. Starting position is same, but the skill sets may be different. So 500 students are placed at 500 different points, and from there they will have their own trajectories. And then this is your planned trajectory. So you must identify using SWOT analysis where you are. And then how you want to move ahead. What is the path and what is the timeline? At different, what we can say, mileposts on this path. Today is January 2021. Now, the first, what I will do is the first point. Till that, everybody should have common trajectory. I will recommend that that is your mid-semester examination and its result. Your mid-semester examination and its result, which would be in April 21, maybe first half. In first half of April 21, your mid-semester evaluation for 30 marks for each subject would be over. आणि त्यात पहिल्यांदा 25 मार्क पडले, 20 ते 25 मार्क प्रत्येकाला पडले पाहिजे, कुठला विषय राहिला नाही पाहिजे. So once you are able to do that, so till that point, what I advocate, we have a long journey. I am explaining it in a very methodical manner and not an evolutionary manner. आजपासून काय करायचं आहे, तर आजपासून तुम्हाला सिलेबस दिला जाईल, सर्व शिक्षक त्यांचे विषय सांगतील. तर आजपासून फेब्रुवारी आणि मार्च या महिन्यामध्ये जे 5-6 विषय तुम्हाला आहेत त्याचा भरपूर अभ्यास करायचा. आता तेवढंच करायचं. आता पूर्वी लोकांना संधी कमी होत्या, पण संधी कमी असल्यामुळं फार गोंधळ व्हायचा नाही. टुडे द प्रॉब्लेम इज because of multiple avenues and multiple opportunities, the problem is what I should choose for. मी इकडे जाऊ का इकडे जाऊ, हे करू, मी आता आज सी प्रोग्रामिंग करू का रुबी लँग्वेज करू का पायथॉन करू का एआय कडे जाऊ का आणि कुठला तरी कॅड ऑटोकॅड मधला कोर्स करू. सो देयर इज अ कन्फ्युजन अगेन. सो व्हॉट यू शुड डू नाउ, in the first 8 weeks, concentrate only on regular academics which is prescribed for you in the regular lectures, practicals. And once you cross this, I am sure that everybody will cross it. Once you cross the first milestone on your trajectory, then many things you can aspire for. I will give some glimpses of what you should have with you in your engineering career. But everything what I am telling today, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. जसं गाय ही आधी खाऊन घेते वेगाने, नंतर रवंथ करते, तसं आत्ता मी जे सांगितलं लक्षात ठेवायचंय. आणि एप्रिलच्या पहिल्या आठवड्यात एकदा मिड सेमिस्टरचे सगळे विषयात 20-25 वर 30 पैकी मार्क पडले, then everybody of you must go at a rapid rate on learning various things in order to achieve your objective. So what are different points which you must conquer in your trajectory? Number one, it is very obvious, it is said every time, but I think it is also, people are bored about it, that is good communication ability. Good communication ability in writing as well as we can say oral communication. It is again it is being said so many times that it has lost its relevance, but still it is important that you should be fluent in communication. For that there are many ways. You can record and yourself can watch it. You will understand the difficulties. What there again, there are 1 minute talk, many techniques are there that you will elaborate later on. Number one. Number two is good analytical ability. This is also, I am sure that engineering college students, especially Walchand College engineering students, have this. Most of you must have successfully passed 4th scholarship or middle school scholarship, high school scholarship and MTS. So that it is across disciplines. Every engineering student should have it, because those companies who test you is on these skills, analytical skills. It is also required in GRE. GRE is Graduate Recognition Examination, which is a must to achieve one of the goals of learning abroad. So that analytical ability is very much required. Then third noun, which is very much essential, is general knowledge. Especially in Indian context. And then how to जनरल नॉलेज कसं वाढवायचं? इतकं तसं सोपं आहे का? आता पूर्वी 20 वर्षापूर्वी टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया लावायचा, म्हणजे साधे पेपर वाचतोस पण टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया वाचणे, रीडर्स डायजेस्ट वाचणे, असं काही होतं. असं इतकं इझिली अवेलेबल आहे. सो दॅट इज नॉट दी थिंग नाउ. बट टू हॅव फोकस्ड जनरल नॉलेज अपडेशन, what I propose is everybody of you, I am saying, everybody of you must appear for civil services examination preliminary. जे IAS ची प्रिलिम एक्झाम जी असते त्याला जो CSAT सिव्हिल सर्व्हिसेस प्रिलिमिनरीला एक सिलेबस आहे ज्यामध्ये जनरल ॲप्टिट्यूड आहे आणि जनरल नॉलेज आहे. तर सिव्हिल सर्व्हिस, व्हॉट आय राईट इज सिव्हिल सर्व्हिसेस प्रिलिमिनरी एक्झाम, IAS प्रिलिमिनरी. सिव्हिल सर्व्हिस म्हणजे काही जण कळत नाही. IAS प्रिलिमिनरी हे भारताच्या बाबतीमध्ये आणि MPSC प्रिलिमिनरी महाराष्ट्राच्या बाबतीमध्ये आपल्याला जवळ, नाहीतर जगातलं सगळं कळत नाही, गावातलं पलीकडचं काय ते कळत नाही. सो MPSC प्रिलिमिनरी, MPSC जनरल एक्झाम, मेन प्रिलिमिनरी एक्झाम. सो दीज टू, ह्या दोन करता जे सिलेबस आहेत त्या हे सगळं कधी एप्रिल 21 नंतर हे आणायचे, त्याची तयारी करायची. The four, aspire for GRE, and now in our syllabus only there is a foreign language. So one foreign language, especially I recommend German. So you need to educate yourselves by keeping the goal. GRE. So when to plan GRE? By the academic calendar would be appropriately modified when the face-to-face interaction starts. That time you come to know what would be the appropriate period. See, if you want immediate admission after your graduation in August 2024, that is when you pass out, you must plan for GRE quite early. Quite early means after your third year vacation, you must have a GRE score so that you can apply for various universities. At the same time, you must also aspire for CAT, Common Aptitude Test, where admissions are carried out in IIMs based on this CAT score. It is a very tough, CAT is said to be most tough examination in the world in management. And of course, I did not tell you that is GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. And now the GATE examination can be given in the third year. GATE exam can be given in the third year. So GATE 23, that is February 23, you should plan for. Remember that once you cross the first hurdle of April 2021 mid-sem exam, mid-sem will be in the end of March. March, your purpose will be known in April. So once you successfully cross that, you should aspire for all these. Remember now, as I had said, that even though you are in a good college, even though you get a job, to maintain your lead position, you have to compete globally. So you have to aspire for all, and then you can decide. It is not that in all you will be successful. In few you may fail also. In many you will be successful, and then choice must be with you. Choice must be with you. And one more thing, which again it would be crime if I don't mention it, because the coming decade is 2020 onwards. 2020 is almost, it's what we can say, it's a non-existent year, ज्याला कधीतरी आपण पहिला रावभूत असं म्हणतो. तर 2020 नसल्याच जमा आहे. सो वी कॅन से द डिकेड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2021. जसं 1980 जेव्हा राजीव गांधींनी कॉम्प्युटर आणला, त्यावेळी कॉम्प्युटर पहिला ते हवा का नको त्याचे दुष्परिणाम चर्चा होती, तसं आज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स आहे. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स मग काय होईल, त्यामुळे व्हायरस आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स शिरला तर जगाचा नाश होऊन प्रलय होईल का, अशा प्रश्नामध्ये पूर्वी कॉम्प्युटर आला तर जॉब जातील का, बेकारी वाढेल का भारतात, अशी काही काळ चर्चा होती. तशी AI बाबतीमध्ये तात्विक आणि आध्यात्मिक आणि ज्याला आपण हे म्हणतो एका चांगल्या वाईट पातळीवरची चर्चा ही आपण करू नका. देर इज नो ऑप्शन फॉर AI. Artificial intelligence is the future. Coming decade is of artificial intelligence. Conventional programming now is of no longer much relevance. म्हणजे साधारणतः 60च्या दशकामध्ये निरक्षर साक्षर असा विषय होता. त्यानंतर कॉम्प्युटर साक्षरता हा कन्सेप्ट आला. त्यानंतर आज आता डिजिटल साक्षरता, की ज्यामध्ये नुसतं कॉम्प्युटर येतोय, बाकी काही कन्व्हेन्शनल प्रोग्रामिंग, पण आज मोबाईल ॲप वापरून वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत. फायनान्शियल लिटरसी आणि इतके त्यामध्ये विविधता आहे, तो आहे. आणि आणखीन सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे AI, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स. मशीन लर्निंग अँड इट्स प्रोग्रामिंग. पायथॉन तर आलंच पाहिजे प्रत्येकाला. नुसतं मेकॅनिकलचं कॉम्प्युटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कॉम्प्युटर ITचा नाही, प्रत्येकाला पायथॉन आलंच पाहिजे. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स त्याच्यामध्ये वी विल गो थ्रू सम सेशन्स लॅटर ऑन, पण त्याच्यामध्ये आता आज तुम्ही म्हणला तर 2 कोर्सेस आहेत. AI फॉर एव्हरीवन, काय करायचं तुम्हाला तो लागेल किंवा अगदी सोपा आहे तो. अँड्र्यू नॅग म्हणून एक या क्षेत्रामधला जगविख्यात मनुष्य आहे, अँड्र्यू नॅग. AI फॉर एव्हरीवन आणि दुसरा आहे मशीन लर्निंग. हे दोन्ही कोर्सेस कोर्सेरा या वेबसाईटवर आहेत. I will be having one more session in induction program about online learning. On that I will elaborate. But for today, everybody of you after April 21 must go for this course. So AI